I want to address AI because it's on everybody's mind, and I am an aficionado of AI. In fact, I'm a big practitioner of AI, specifically ChatGPT. So here's what's going to happen. AI will not replace salespeople. However, it's going to remove many of the laborious tasks that salespeople really don't love to do and help us stay organized, manage data, do better research, put together client profiles before even the first meeting. I'm really excited about what AI can do. Here's what's going to happen. We're going to be more productive. It's going to take away and automate many of the tasks that we would consider more administrative and give us back more time to sell. AI is a great thing for salespeople. It won't replace salespeople. It will enhance our performance.